In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ClickUp. We'll walk through the full process together, from opening the right view to customizing the look and feel, all the way to checking your settings and previewing the final result. First, make sure you're in the right place inside ClickUp. Navigate to the list view where you want your form responses to be captured. This matters because every form you create is tied to a specific list, and each submission will become a task in that list. Once you're in your list view, look over to your sidebar and find your team space. Next to the team space name, click on the plus icon. This is where you add new views, and one of those view types is a form. From the options that appear, click on Form. ClickUp will now open the form builder. At this point, you'll see a selection of ready-made templates you can choose from, like feedback forms, project intake forms, order forms, job applications, and IT request forms. These are great if you want something quick. However, for the most flexibility, choose the option to start from scratch. This gives you the most customization and personalization over your form's structure and content. At the top of your new form, click on Add Cover to add a form cover. This is the banner image at the top of the form. After adding a cover, you'll see an image icon. Click on that image icon to replace the default and upload your own image. Choosing a relevant visual here helps set the tone and makes your form look more professional. Next, click on the large text area near the top to add your own headline. This should clearly explain what the form is for, such as new project request or customer feedback form. Then move down to the description area. Click into the form description and type a short explanation of what information you're collecting and how it will be used. Clear instructions here will reduce confusion and incomplete submissions. Now it's time to build the form questions. Click on Add Question. A panel will appear showing all the different elements and field types you can add to your form. These might include short text, long text, drop-downs, checkboxes, and other field types mapped to ClickUp task fields. Click on the field type you want to add. Once it appears on your form, type in the field name. This is the label people will see, so keep it clear and specific. When you're happy with it, click on Create to add that question to your form. Repeat this process to add all the fields you need. Once your questions are in place, go to the Settings tab at the top of the form builder. Here, you can access form settings like SEO options, reCAPTCHA for spam protection, and URL-related settings. This is where you control how your form is shared and protected. While you build, you can always click on the Preview tab to see what your form will look like to your users. Use this preview to check the layout, wording, and flow before you share the form with others.